Hey everybody, it's 1:31 and now 15 seconds on February 6th. This is the drawing for the 3 Bronze Age Avengers books, numbers 100, 112, which is the first Mantis, and 196, which is the first Taskmaster. Over here are the 16 filled spots. Let's roll the 3 dice. Number is 15, going to randomize 15 times. Anybody at the top of the list gets all 3 books. Slight possibility I get them out in a few hours today. Worst case, they ship tomorrow, the 7th. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and here comes the final one, 15. Spot 5, Bill Byers, congratulations. Time is 1:32 and 11